If you're married to an undocumented person and you're scared in these times, listen up because I'm going to give you some really good tips. First of all, a lot of people are concerned, a lot of people are scared, and I think this comes with a lack of understanding of what is the entire process. I'm going to recommend that you have a consultation with a trustworthy attorney, someone that's going not only to listen to your concerns, but it's also going to take out the time to digest and understand your spouse's immigration history. Why is that important? It's important because whenever we create a game plan of how this person is going to get a green card, we first have to start with how did they enter, what happened at the port of entry, have they left, have they committed any arrest, have they worked with illegal document, like with somebody else's documents, have they ever lie in an application. This a list of things that an attorney must consider during a consultation whenever anyone is thinking of doing consular processing or an adjustment of status. So when I say listen up, it's because there's a lot of fear that's being sent in the internet. All over the place is this fear-driven attitude, and I'm here to tell you that if you are having a consultation with the right attorney, example with me, I'm going to cover all of the things that concern you. What are the things that concern someone that's married to an undocumented person? Number one, is my wife going to be deported? No, or husband? Number two, if we go through this long process when my loved one gets to the stage where they have to do the consular processing, is there anything that will prevent my wife or my husband from re-entering the United States and receiving that visa? Those are legitimate concerns. Another question is, what if I'm investing all this money? Is there anything in her history that would prevent her from getting a waiver approved, from getting anything approved? And all of those things should be addressed in the consultation. It's something that I do. Perhaps other attorneys are not doing it, but I have a holistic approach. I'm an immigrant. My visa was also denied because someone committed a mistake on my application, and I had to be separated from my parents until they can get me back here legally and united with my family. So I understand the pain. I understand why it's so important for you to have the right questions asked, not just to wait for you to tell me a story, but for me, the expert, the one that knows what they're doing, to ask you the questions, and then you can be vulnerable and you can tell me your truth, and I can be honest with you and let you know whether this green card process is going to work. So see you when you come to my office.